So today I'm going to show you guys how to create a business email, a professional email that you guys can use for your businesses so that way you aren't using Gmail and Yahoo and all that stuff.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure back with a new video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to create your professional emails for your business. Not saying that Gmail and Yahoo and all that stuff is entirely bad for your business, but having that professional email with your own domain name takes you to the next level. So I want to show you guys how to do that completely free. But before I get into it, so for those of you guys that want the free promo for your business through my YouTube channel and you haven't commented with your business information, you can do so on this video as well. Every video I post from here on out, you can include the information and then I'll just pull the information from all my comments. For those of you that have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and link the video where I discuss that right here, as well as down in the description box. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about as far as the free promo for your business, check out that video. I think you skipped to like the 7-minute and 20-second mark and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, and I forgot to mention, before I even go into showing you guys exactly how to set this all up, you do have to have your domain name already. So if you don't already have a domain registered, you'll want to pause this video, go do that, and then come back and watch the rest. But let me get into this video to show you guys how to create your free professional business accounts. So you'll want to go to zoho.com, ZOHO.com, and you can set up a free email account here once you already have your domain. So just to show you what Zoho Mail is about, it's showing you right here that you can use your own custom domain and create your own email addresses. So whether it's like help at whatever your domain is, your name at yourdomain.com, the control panel is like your back end of your email account, so you can control everything. You have email retention. You can use this on a mobile. They do have a mobile app and I have it on my phone. I actually use the Mail app on my phone on top of using the Zoho Mail app. Reason being is there's templates I can create in there. If I need to do like an auto reply, I can do it right from the mobile app. I don't have to get on the computer to do that. And there's so much that you can do with their email accounts just like you would anywhere else. But I know you guys see this pricing, so I'm going to show you pricing because you can upgrade your accounts. Now, of course, right here is showing you all the paid accounts, but I promise you, you can do this free as well. I actually have it free. So I'll let you guys look at this to see what you get in the paid accounts, but here is the forever free plan. You get up to 5 users, meaning you can create up to 5 different email accounts. So it can be yourself. If you have employees, you can add them on there. If you want to do like a customer service email, a sales email, have separate accounts, you can do that. Each user gets up to 5 gigabytes of storage. I think it takes me like a year to fill up 5 gigs of storage, or maybe half a year, I should say. I probably shouldn't say a year, but I do go through and try to delete old emails. And you can do up to 25 megabytes for your attachments. You can access this account by the web or by mobile apps, but I promise you, you can do it free. So all you do is go to sign up now. I won't sign up since I already have an account, but you'll do your name, email, and password. Then once you have the account, it'll take you through the steps of pointing your domain to Zoho Mail, so that way you can start receiving your mail to these new email accounts that makes your business look that much more professional. And it's all just that easy. So use Zoho Mail. Is completely free. You can make up to 5 accounts and you point your own domain to Zoho, so that way it uses your domain name instead of at Gmail. I've been using Zoho for years, so I promise you it works. I know 5 gigs may not sound like a lot, but you can actually send and receive a lot of emails on that 5 gigs. I think only one of my email accounts has ever actually hit that 5 gig mark, just because that is the account that receives a bunch of attachments. So between every 6 to 12 months, I do have to go in and clean out that email address so that way it's not full. But my other accounts, none of them have hit hit that 5 gigs yet because it's just regular emails that's going through there. And as I've stated, I've been using Zoho Mail for a long time. And I just realized I haven't mentioned yet, but this video was not sponsored whatsoever. I just wanted to share with you guys a free email hosting service that you can use so that way you can have those free email accounts. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.